Welcome to our tutorial on mastering web animations with React Spring. If you're looking to elevate your web applications with smooth and engaging animations, you're in the right place. React Spring offers a physics-based animation library that's perfect for creating interactive user experiences. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to leverage React Spring to make your applications more dynamic and visually appealing. In today's digital world, user expectations are higher than ever, making it crucial to stand out with interactive designs. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials and stay updated with the latest content that can help you advance your skills in web development. Let's explore the theory behind React Spring and why it's such a powerful tool for web animations. At its core, React Spring uses physics-based animations, which means it simulates real-world dynamics like tension and friction, providing a more natural motion compared to traditional CSS animations. Think of it like a real spring that stretches and compresses, giving your animations a fluid and organic feel. This approach not only makes animations more visually pleasing, but also aligns with React's declarative API, allowing you to integrate animations seamlessly into your component's state. With React Spring, you can interpolate values, animate complex states, and create sophisticated interactions that respond to user actions. Its hooks and components, such as UseSpring and Animated, offer flexibility in implementing and controlling animations, making it an excellent choice for developers aiming to enhance user interfaces. Now, let's put theory into practice with a simple yet powerful example. We're going to create a React application that utilizes React Spring to animate elements dynamically. In our example, we'll focus on animating a card flip effect, which is a common and visually appealing interaction. Here's the core file that demonstrates this functionality. Let's see our React Spring animation in action. When you load the application, you'll notice a welcoming header that smoothly fades in and slides down. This is achieved through a Spring animation that adjusts the opacity and position. Next, we have an interactive card that flips when clicked. Initially, the front side of the card is visible. When you click on the card, it flips to reveal the backside. The transformation involves adjusting the opacity and performing a 3D rotation. Clicking again flips the card back to the front. This interaction is not just visually appealing, but also intuitive, providing a seamless user experience. In this tutorial, we've explored the power of React Spring in creating engaging web animations. By understanding and implementing physics-based animations, you can significantly enhance the interactivity and appeal of your applications. As a developer, mastering these techniques equips you with the tools to create experiences that captivate users and differentiate your projects. We encourage you to experiment with the code, perhaps adding your own unique features and sharing them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials that will help you advance your web development skills with practical, real-world examples. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.